Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Harshal Saindane. I am from Sam Enviro company. I look after the project techno-commercial sales with Sam. Welcome to TLC Expo 2026. This is one of the membrane prototype you can see over here. This is called as MBR. It's a flat sheet MBR model which is used in secondary treatment for filtration. This can be utilized in ETP and STP as well. So after the treatment, once you get the water from this membrane, that is as good as crystal clear, visually indistinguishable from potable water, and you can literally use it in all your utility applications apart from sensitive application. We have started our operations in 1991. So we started as a consultant. Now we are ended up with a complete turnkey end-to-end solution provider in wastewater treatment projects.